Okay, with me Zaki Dosara Muhammad, and this opportunity we're talking about the PBL in EBL. In this opportunity, we will cover for main objectives: the first, definition of project-based learning; the second, characteristic of PBL model; third, the advantages of implementing the PBL model; and last, when can the PBL model be applied. About definition of PBL, there are two. According to the Afriana, PBL is learning-centered learning model and provides a meaningful learning experiences for students. Students' learning experiences and concepts are built based on the product produced in the project-based learning process. According to Goodman and Stevens, define PBL as a teaching approach that is built on learning activities and real tasks that provide challenge for students related to everyday life to be solved in group. And characteristic of PBL model: the first, students are faced with a concrete problem, find solution and work on project in teams to overcome the problems. The second, in the PBL model, students not only understand the content but also develop skill in student how to play a role in society. Skills developed in PBL include communication and presentation skill, organizational and time management skill, research and investigation skill, self-assessment and reflection skill, group participation and leadership, and critical thinking. And the advantages of implementing the PBL model: the first, increase students' learning motivation to learn, to encourage their ability to do important work, and they need to be motivated. The second, improve problem solving ability. The third, making students more active and successful in solving complex problems. The fourth, enhance collaboration. The fifth, encourage students to develop and practice communication skills. The sixth, or the last, improve student skills in managing resources. So, when can the PBL model be applied? The first, this learning model can be used when educators want to condition active learning-centered learning. The second, this learning model can also be used when educators want more emphasis on science skills, namely in observing activities, using tools and material interpreting. And the last, using the PBL model when you want to develop student creative thinking skills in designing and creating projects that can be used to systematically solve problems. Thanks for all, and wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Created using Powtoon.